Venezuelan Pabellón Criollo. Ingredients: 1½ pound flank steak, 2 tomatoes, diced, 2 beef bouillon cubes, 1 chicken bouillon cube, 3 cloves garlic, peeled and minced, 1, 15 ounces, can black beans, 2-3 medium onions, peeled and chopped, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1½ teaspoon ground cumin, ½ teaspoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 2 tablespoons butter, 6 servings of cooked white rice, salt. Directions: submerge the beef steak into a saucepan of water and add the beef bouillon cubes. Bring to a boil over medium heat, then allow to simmer over low heat for 1 hour and 30 minutes until tender. Remove from the heat and set aside to cool. Heat the oil in a clean skillet. Sauté half of the onions and the minced garlic in the oil until soft. Open the can of beans and add it to the pan, along with the liquid. Add ½ cup of water, cumin, garlic powder, vinegar and the chicken bouillon. Stir and add a pinch of salt. Allow the beans to simmer for 10 minutes over low heat. When the liquid has reduced, turn off the heat and set aside. Slice the cooled steak against the grain into thin, long slices. Shred any large pieces of steak into smaller pieces and set aside. Melt the butter in a separate pan, then sauté the rest of the onions. Add the shredded beef to the pan. Stir and add the tomatoes. Pour in a cup of the steak pan juices and allow it to simmer for about 5 minutes. When most of the liquid has been reduced, turn off the heat. Arrange plates with portions of cooked white rice, beans and the cooked steak. Serve with fried plantain slices.